So we've kind of already covered the Unix shell or the Linux shell and different commands that you can use. For example, ls to be able to search to see what's inside of a directory. And there's also some commands that you can that can get you to be able to search within files themselves. So the contents within the files, based on a word or based on a pattern. And so the I have a file here called instructions, and let's say I want to search for Windows, so word Windows within this file. So if I type grep Windows and then the file name, which is instructions.md, I'll get it'll return 3 lines within this file that have the word Windows in it. That way then I can say, there are 3 instances of Windows within this file. But let's say I want to find out what line number it is. So we can use the n command for number, doing the same thing, Windows instructions. And we can see that there's an instance of Windows on the 26th line, the 42nd, as well as the 60th. But what if Windows is not actually capitalized, for instance? We can get around that by doing -i for case insensitive, as well as line number, and then type out Windows, as well as the instructions, as well as the file name. And we can see, well, at least within this particular file, they all have capitalized, but depending on the file, there might be instances where Windows is not capitalized. Now this is useful, but what if you want to search multiple files? So you can use grep to search for Windows using the recursive function option here, as well as an asterisk. An asterisk means just to expand on everything within that directory. And so we can see that there's at least 1, 2, 3, and 4 files that have the word Windows within them. And combined with another patterns, which I don't have time to talk about right now, it's a really powerful way to explore the contents of your file quickly, especially if you have if you know a word that you want to look for, but you don't know exactly what file it's in, and so this helps quickly search through files within a system. And that's all the time I have.